Alright, back on the TXV call. They didn't have the train TXV, but they had a TXV. So, mine's an L, so it's a bend a little copper, but shouldn't be the worst thing. I'll probably have to take off this fan motor, get in over there, drop down shit. I'm gonna fucking, yep, let me get rocking. Alright, got everything fucking recovered. Those on my way. Alright. TXV, already built. A little different. It's fucking 6 p.m. so I'm gonna get rocking on this. Should only take me about an hour and a half. Everything goes smooth, so that's cool. Swing. Alrighty, that pinched off. Got my hole in the copper. That's my bits. Got the dryer, and we're rocking and rolling. A little sander. This one goes on the impact. Super nice. Bada bing. Make life fucking easy for yourself. You feel me? Hey, ta-da! Bam. Alright. Not too shabby. Okay. Not in there too much, just a little bit. Bam! Alright. Gonna get in here and braze it in the rain. It's raining. Alright. Yeah, I started at 5 this morning. It's already 6:30. Alright, here we go. This fucking thing only holds 3.5 pounds. It's crazy. 3.5 pounds. So. Oh, fuck. Oh, this roof is so sketch. So sketch. Yeah, we're gonna go ahead and stop it there. And we'll see what that does for us.